Aloha, this is Dr. Martina. I don't want to talk about sex today. Today's just one of those days I cannot talk about sex. It just doesn't feel right because there's some more pressing issues that we are dealing with, and that is the topic of love. I have taught about love for your partner, love for yourself, love for your body, but today I want to talk about love for a stranger, love for a fellow human being that is in need. I have been witnessing something that I believed all along, that love, when we can love, we're happy because it goes deep down into our soul, where we are human beings, where we know what the right thing to do is. And we do it. We step up. I have seen it in the Loma Prieta earthquake in the Bay Area and all the fires in the Bay Area. I've heard about it, in other disasters like those 13 children that got out of the cave, how communities come together, how enemies come together and forget about all the differences they have and just work on the basis of love because it makes us feel better. If you think about people here on Maui, if you think about people in other parts of the world who are going through a disaster, then you know that this is just the beginning. This is not the last one that we're going through together as a human race. And it will give us an opportunity, just like every one of these disasters do, they give us an opportunity to love instead of hate, to be proactive instead of complain how things are not happening, to get out of our comfort zone, get out of our homes and go and roll up your sleeves and help. You don't have to be in the disaster area to do it. You can do that at home right where you are. You can talk to the neighbor that you haven't spoken to because you have some kind of a rift between the two of you. You can look up from this phone that gets all of your attention. Look up when you walk around and look in a stranger's eyes. You can help someone that you see is in need of anything, even if it's just a smile. We know how to do this. We have forgotten. And the pandemic definitely has us separated even more, but these disasters bring us together and they connect us. If you're in it, if you're affected by it or not, your heart is affected by it, your soul is affected by it. So act accordingly. Do the right thing. Live with love. It will make you feel better. I have watched myself over the last 8 days, when I go home just to rest or get some food or just to get some peace, I don't feel good. I feel sad, I feel depressed, and I'm like, I can't just sit here. So I get out again and help. And my smile comes back. My compassion is there, present and visible, and my smile is there, and it makes us feel better. And you know what? We need this as a society because, like I said, this is not going to be our last disaster. So do the things you know how. As little as they appear, do them wherever you are. And love. Are there going to be people who don't love? Are there going to be people who will take advantage of people in vulnerable situations? Yes. Is greed still a part of our society? Yes. Will it be there for a while? Yes. Yes, all of that. But I also know that love will conquer all. And love is the only thing that will help us survive as a society. So we can't focus on the ones, and say, well, this really doesn't help because people in the government and politics and the authorities are going to change it all, and the real estate people are going to change it all, and they're going to destroy it all, we have something to say about this, and we can do it with our love and with our compassion on a daily basis, and fight and believe in it, that it is stronger, that love does conquer all. We need to believe in that. I do. I hope you do too. I'll see you next time.